Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular job notifications, here I started one Telegram group and I kept the link in the description box of this video so the interested candidates may join in that group, guys. And in this video we are going to see the permanent as well as the contract based assistant professor vacancies from the two state government universities. And here for the permanent post the salary is 57,700 to 1,82,400 rupees per month. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, an academy educator for the subject NTA UGS NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. And I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. And now while coming to the present content of the video, it is Assam University Silchar. Okay, and here you can check down the teaching and non-teaching post group A and B, professor, associate and assistant professor and the finance officer and the section officer vacancies are there. And the last date for application, the online submission of application form, application fee payment and the application forms PDF download is 1st Feb 2021 up to evening 5 o'clock. The last date for submission of downloaded application form along with the enclosures 7th Feb 2021 evening 5 o'clock. And a non-refundable application fee of 1,000 rupees for UR and OBC, SC, ST and the women candidates are exempted from the application fee. That means they need not to pay. Okay, and while coming to the online application form available in the official website of the university are invited from the Indian citizens. Okay, professor academic level 14, associate academic level 13A and assistant professor academic level 10. So the salary is also mentioned here, you may check down. And eligibility for teaching positions shall be as per the UGC regulations 2018. That means coming to the assistant professor level 10 category means the candidate must require the post graduation in the concerned department plus UGC NET qualification. Okay, the coming to the finance officer, it is the level 14 plus daily allowance as per the government of India norms, and the pay matrix is also mentioned here. And 1,44,200 to 2,18,200. And the section officer is level 7, so 4,900, and the post code as well as the number of posts are mentioned here. So if you are having the PG in the zoology and the corresponding net qualification is there, then you may apply. And the administration post codes for the finance officer as well as the section officer, the post codes are given here. So the individual qualifications for the post code, that is NTS 0003, that is the finance officer, the qualifications are mentioned here. That means the 15 years of experience as associate professor is required. And coming to the section officer, a bachelor's degree from the recognized university and at least 3 years of experience in handling educational institutions and 3 years of regular service in grade pay of 4,200 or 8 years of regular service as UDC. And the general instructions are given here. So for your reference purpose, I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. So to get the accurate and the more details, please once go through this one, guys. Okay. And coming to the second college that I want to show you is the Savitri Phule Pune University, the Department of Computer Science. And here the recruitment of assistant professor on the contract basis is there. So applications are invited for the following post to work as assistant professor contractual basis at the Department of Computer Science from the department funds of Savitribai Phule Pune University. And assistant professor contractual basis 2 posts, one for open category and one for SC category. So 30,000 rupees per month, that is consolidated. And duration of appointment is up to 31st May 2021. And the qualification required MSc in computer science or MCA, science and technology faculty with net or set qualification, with 55% for open category and 50% for the reservation category. And you have to send or submit your application on plain paper with complete biodata and documents related qualification as mentioned above on or before 15th January 2021 evening 5 o'clock to the head Department of Computer Science, the college, and the interview is on 22nd January 2021 at 11:30 am in the Department of Computer Science. Fine. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. Okay, so here the two notifications I gave you. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys.
Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the two new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.